সবাইকে আসসালামু আলাইকুম। কেমন আছো তোমরা? আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছো। আল্লাহর রহমতে আমিও ভালো আছি। আজকে আমরা খেলতে চলেছি একটা কাস্টম রুম, যেখানে খেলবো সোলো ভার্সেস ডুও। সবাইকে পুরোটা ম্যাচ দেখার অনুরোধ রইল, এবং ভিডিওটি যদি ভালো লাগে তাহলে আমার ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটা সাবস্ক্রাইব করে একটি লাইক করে পাশে থাকবেন। ধন্যবাদ। তো চলুন আমরা গেম প্লেতে যাই।
Feeling the lumps inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start knocking as a lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control. First blood. Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control. Take me in slow, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking as a lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor, the pain is over. Feel the darkness take control. Darkness take control.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it move and work and believe. You know what I want, so I'll take it on.
First blood.
I'll make mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'll go get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, try to see where we grin. Ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night, getting in and I'm the system. Living life like a dream, live it right, discipline. Every night, got a team.
First blood.
Out on stage, hear them scream. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I'll get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play, then I win. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay. I just visit, have no shame. I live
Resources here.
to see if to see if
Double kill.
they're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.
First blood.
First blood. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I'm do what I want, so I gotta think through. Staying motivated, teaching others what to
Double
do.
kill.
I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, let it up. You got one life to pop, let you live, let it
Double
stop.
kill.
You gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on, need a hand out. I already stand out, starting to advance now. Ready to expand now, you don't have a chance now. Cause we're in demand now, make it by the plan now. Feeling like a man now, yeah, if you want to see the fun, to see the fun, they looking run.
First blood.
They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now.
Double kill.
They want